And viewers, in a big breaking news, actor Allu Arjun has been arrested in the stampede case in Hyderabad. The Tollywood actor has been nabbed by the police just minutes from now. He's been arrested by the Hyderabad police in connection with the death of a woman during a stampede at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad. The incident occurred during the premiere of his film Pushpa 2 on the 4th of December. While 3 others have also been arrested in connection with the stampede, actor Allu Arjun has been arrested too by the Hyderabad police. According to local media, he is also being taken to Chikadapalli police station in Hyderabad for further questioning. We have a big breaking news. Actor Allu Arjun has been arrested for the death of a woman which was caused during a stampede at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad. It happened during the premiere of his film Pushpa 2 on the 4th of December. The actor had also put out a tweet. Meanwhile, we're being joined by my colleague Deepak from the newsroom, who can get us more details on the arrest. Deepak, tell us more about the case.
What we understand right now is that actor Allu Arjun has been arrested in connection with the stampede at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, which claimed the life of one person and left her son critically injured. He is being taken to the Chikadapalli police station right now as we speak, and all of this after Allu Arjun, in fact, even gave an compensation of 25 lakhs to the grieving family who lost one of their family members, a woman who had arrived to watch the premiere of his Pushpa 2 movie. But what we understand is that some protocols had to be followed before his arrival, because Allu Arjun, an actor of his stature, if he's arriving at a theatre, security arrangements have to be in place. A protocol should also be in place so that the crowd doesn't, go out of control. But what we understood is that Allu Arjun came there unannounced at the Sandhya Theatre, which led to a chaos, which led to stampede, because looking at their actor, hundreds and thousands of fans who had gathered at the theatre for the premiere of the show, resulted in a stampede-like situation, thereby resulting in the death of one woman. In fact, Aneri is also joining us live on this broadcast. Aneri, take us through what's happening. Where is he being taken, and what are the charges against the actor?
Well, Deepak, what we have been seeing is that a big development that has come in, where we see that recently during the Pushpa 2 premiere show, where we had seen that there was a huge crowd, there was massive crowd at the Sandhya Theatre, and that time Allu Arjun had also arrived there, and also 3 people had fell unconscious, out of which one woman lost her life. But then now what we are being told is that police had back then had booked a case against Allu Arjun Sandhya Theatre, and also the team of Allu Arjun was also booked because they had not given information to the police about the arrival of the actor at the Sandhya Theatre, and which led to a chaotic situation, stampede-like situation. And now what we are being told is that a big breaking development which we are seeing is that now actor Allu Arjun has been arrested by the police officials, and he is being shifted to Chikadapalli police station, is what we are being told through our sources. But now actor Allu Arjun, as we got exclusive visuals of Allu Arjun being taken in police vehicle from his residence, and also this comes in the backdrop after a woman lost her life, and her husband had lodged a complaint at the Chikadapalli police station, because that Sandhya Theatre comes under that police station limits. And also not only that, the woman who lost her life, her son is still undergoing treatment, and so definitely an unfortunate incident that had taken place. But what we are also now being told is that very shortly Allu Arjun will be brought to the police station, and also further investigation into this matter will be taken up, Deepak.
Also, Aneri, in light of the arrest of Allu Arjun, several protests are also expected to break out, because his fans will probably be enraged by this crackdown by the police over there. So are any special arrangements being made to avoid such a situation?
Deepak, what we are being told is that yes, definitely Allu Arjun has a huge fan following in the south of India, and also not only that, this news is definitely going to be a big development, because the arrest of Allu Arjun was not expected, because what we were being told is that Allu Arjun would be brought for questioning. He would be questioned by the police, but then very clearly the police officials had mentioned that Allu Arjun's team or the Sandhya Theatre management had not informed the police about the arrival of the actor, because Sandhya Theatre is a very small theatre. Usually the premiere shows takes place in that theatre, and that day when everyone knew that it is a big film, it's a big, there has been a huge craze for that movie. That's the time when we see that a large number of crowd had gathered there, and that at point in time Allu Arjun